What's up YouTube, my name is Bula Gaming and today we're gonna make another unboxing video. And today video we're gonna unboxing a new gamepad I just purchased yesterday. So the gamepad is I already have a lot of gamepads, so this is the first time I make a gamepad tutorial. So the gamepad is, if you can see right now, is a new Gamesir T4 PRO. Gamesir. This is company from Gamesir. I purchased my controller on Gamesir. So yeah, that's it for the box. If we can see on the box right now, every angle we see the front face. The front of the box, we got the spot endless setting. We got setting bar to as you can switch. This photo of the switch and the controller. No, the sticker. That's the way I buy it. And it's Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. For 2.4G, what that even mean, I don't know. And wireless, you can do wireless too. And the name, Gamesir T4 PRO. So in the side of the box right now, we can see words that you guys can read, the QR code, and the back we got the instruction how to use it, the Gamesir T4 PRO, the controller, the requirement thing, the thing and stuff you guys need to read. I don't know, there's a okay. In the side of the box we can see it came with a, what that say, asymmetric motion. If you guys can say, if you guys can read it, comment down below what that sounds like, because I cannot read much, because talking is okay, just need a little bit more improving, but reading I still cannot read. I'm lack of reading because I don't like to read. So liner triangular button, what that even mean? If you guys know, comment down below. And we got anti slope rubber cup. Oh, that the Joy-Con thing. Okay, that's all we can wrap up in the box. The box is kind of squishy right now because when I get this box, I get from the mail, the box is already squished like a pancake. So sorry about the box. So let's reopen the box. We're gonna get our accessories for the gamepad. So let's open the box and see what we can get to. Let's take this off. If I can manage to open it. Okay. The box came with instruction. If you guys want to read it, be my guest. If you guys want to read it, you got some instruction. I recommend it you guys read all the instruction. It came with different language. You can read English, Japan, and Chinese? Question mark? Yes, I guess so. Korean or Chinese, I don't know. There's a lot of you need to read, and you got some card. I don't know what this card for. And we got stickers And yeah, that's it, I guess. and another card, if you guys know what is it. And that's it for the thing. So let's get to the event itself. We got ourselves the gamepad of the box, and we got the first box is we got our USB dongle for the PC, Mac, or computer or laptop to connect it. We got that. We got the controller itself. The controller itself came with a lot of detail and stuff, and we're gonna get through it right now. So here, the USB Type C came with USB Type C, and the last is most important part for this assembly. We got ourselves the mallet, what do you call it, to stick to your phone if you want to play on the phone. So that's it from in the box. Got nothing. So yeah, so the gamepad itself is really not much I gonna say. It's chunky, it's big like Xbox One. If you guys know which Xbox this controller original size is, comment down below. So let's turn on the controller and see what we can get. So we need to press the home button for 5 seconds, and he's on standby phase. If you guys can see right now, it's on standby phase. So if this, I don't have right now I don't have any things to pair with, but if you guys want to see me play some game, I will put the end of this video. So yeah, and we can comparing with a lot of things with this controller. We can connect with Mac PC, Android, iOS, Switch. Yes, this can connect to Nintendo Switch, and laptop, PC, computer is the same. So yeah, that's it. Nothing else, but they came with a back button, a pedal shifter. You can press in the back of the controller, can press the back. And yeah, so if you want to pair with Android, if I remember, you need to press the home button, and press the X button to, not X, A button to pair it with your Android phone. If you want to pair it with Nintendo Switch, you need to press the X or select. I can't remember. I read the instruction, but sometimes I forget really quickly. But right now I don't have the console or things to pairing with, but right now I just talk through it. So every button in this gamepad, has a specific link, like A, Android, X, PC, laptop, or Switch, laptop, or not, or just for computer. Okay, or select for Mac, I presume. I cannot remember. For everything on this specific button, for those things. So we can turn down the brightness of the controller itself. We just press for to turn off the button. We just need to press here and press LB and RB to turn off the black light. So if I can do it, but right now cannot do it. Okay, I guess you don't want to do it. Oh, I pressed it wrong. So maybe. Oh, there he is. Maybe I got it wrong. Okay, if that doesn't work, we try something else. So I found we can lower the brightness of the controller itself. Just press L T R T or no. As I remember, press home. Turbo or home. I guess maybe. Oh, sorry. Turbo and up down. Hold turbo and up down for vibration. So we can increase our vibration to max, and we can decrease. Oh, okay, we can decrease. Just push up to increase, down for decrease. Okay, for the light for the joystick, just press L3 R3 up. Come on, I know you want it. Oh, sorry, I forgot something. L R. See, the brightness is right now is that, so that we can get. Sorry, I cannot pairing with any game right now to show because I don't have a Nintendo Switch to pairing with. I guess that's it. Let's wrap this up. So we got ourselves a controller right now. I don't know for this controller design like Xbox Series 1 or Xbox One. I don't know. You guys comment down below what type of this controller look like, because I don't have any Xbox. So that's it for this unboxing video. We're gonna put the controller to the side, and I guess that's it. This is all I can get for you guys. And I forgot one thing. This thing came with a gift. I don't know if it's very important or not, but it came with a gift. 2 gifts actually. When I purchase it, he gave me this tiny, what do you call it? For what? Mouse? Or I think this is for the joystick, and we got self a bag for the controller itself, so I can throw away the box if I want to. So yeah, that's it. I guess that all the box we can get in the controller itself. Sorry, I cannot show you the game, every game I can play on the right now, because I don't have the thing to pair it with. I don't have a Nintendo Switch. I don't have any game on my Android because my phone cannot support a lot of game, and it's kind of chunky anyway. I don't have a PC. I have a laptop, but my laptop is charging is dead. Its battery dead, so I cannot show that. Either way, so yeah, let's wrap this up. I don't want to make this long. Actually, it's a really long. And yeah, I guess that's it. If you guys like the layout of my new setup, comment down below if you guys like it, or I can still change it anyway. It's a lot of possibility to change. And yeah, so let's wrap this. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. Seriously, follow my social media if you want to know I'm gonna upload a new video or not, please. And please support me either, because you guys are only have left. Show me something I can believe in. And yeah, that's it, I guess. So and always, I will see you in the next video. Peace. Bye.